Hello, what's up? I'm holding the microphone very close to my mouth because I just decided to start a vlog in the middle of the day, and let's see how it goes. Most of this vlog is basically going to be me organizing my kitchen, so you will be seeing a lot of me. We'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man. But you can do the job when you're in town. I just decided that I needed to change the microphone that I was using, because the microphone that I was holding is my sit-down microphone, and to be honest, I don't want to be carrying it around. It's very expensive, okay? So I don't want anything bad happening to it. So I need to shower and do my face routine. As you can see, my face is super dry because I have not done my face routine yet, and I have no moisture on my face right now. Oh, hi.
My in-laws place, and most of you don't know where this vlog is going to. From the title, you can assume, you can tell.
I'm so tired, but I think I like the way this kitchen is looking so far. This is brown rice, and I'm putting it in here. White rice. I think I'm going to stop for now because I'm very tired. This is what I have so far. So far, this is what I have. I'd like to appreciate you for watching this vlog until this point. Please subscribe if you have not. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my vlogs or anything I post to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, bye. I'm sick.